In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Hostinger. If you want to make your account more secure, turning on two-factor authentication is a great idea. This adds an extra layer of protection to your login process, which helps keep your account safer even if someone gets access to your password. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, make sure you're already logged in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the security option and click it. This section is where Hostinger gives you access to important account protection settings. If you're following along on a desktop browser, everything should be easy to spot, but on some screens the layout may look slightly different. Just take your time and make sure you're in the right section before moving on. Inside the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. You should see a Turn On button next to it. Click Turn On to begin setting it up. At this point, Hostinger will ask you to choose the method you want to use for two-factor authentication. You'll typically have the option to use an authentication app or email. If you choose an app, you'll use a separate authenticator app on your phone to generate secure login codes. This is usually considered the more secure option and can be more convenient once it's set up. If you choose email, Hostinger will send a verification code to your email whenever needed during login. Select the method that works best for you, then follow the prompts shown on the screen to confirm your choice. Be sure to complete the setup fully so the protection is actually activated. If you're using an app, it's also a good idea to save any backup or recovery information provided during setup, just in case you lose access to your device later, and that's it. Once you've selected your preferred method and completed the setup, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Hostinger account. From now on, when you sign in, you'll go through one extra verification step, which can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. If you found this helpful, you can revisit your security settings anytime to update or manage your two-factor authentication preferences.